Hi everyone, this is Stephanie from the Blend team. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of our digital blending board, Blend. I'm going to show you all of the different features available and what the app looks like for each of our different kinds of users. Awesome, let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to access the Blend app. The first way is by going to our website, blendreading.com. And you'll see at the top menu bar that there's an app button, as well as on the front page, a start blending button. Either of these buttons will launch into the Blend app. You can also go to app.blendreading.com from your browser and it will take you directly to the app. So this is the home screen of the Blend app. Now, we wanted Blend to be as accessible as possible for all teachers who use a blending drill in their phonics instruction. So you can actually use Blend for free without creating an account and without logging in. Let's see what that looks like. When you open the app, you'll see two preloaded decks that anyone can use right out of the box. We have separated blends and combined blends. Let's see what separated blends looks like. When you open this deck, you'll see an optional play screen tutorial. This will walk you through all of the different features on this view and get you started right away. I'll also link an in-depth video tutorial on the play screen if you'd like to watch that as well. As you can see in this deck, the graphemes are laid out with the blends separated onto individual cards for those of you that prefer to teach it that way. Now let's take a look at the combined blends deck where of course our blends are now shown together on the same card. So you'll see as I build the same word blends across the columns that B and L are now together as well as ND. Now back on the home screen you will see that some of the features are disabled if you are not logged in and it will prompt you to create an account and log in to use those features. Now let's see what the app looks like using two different types of Blend accounts. We currently offer two different individual plans for Blend. We have Blend Basic, which is a free forever plan, and we have Blend Pro, which provides access to additional features at $3 per month. We also offer a 7-day free trial when you sign up for Blend Pro. In addition to our individual plans, we also offer organization licensing. You can read more about it on our website, and if you're interested, request a quote and we'll be happy to work with you on a plan that best suits your organization. Let's take a look at a Blend Basic account. If you click Log In from the app at the top right-hand corner, you'll be taken to the Blend Reading website where you can create an account or log into an existing account. You'll then be redirected back to the app where you'll see that the home screen looks just a little different. With Blend Basic, you can have up to one custom deck on your account. You can see here that I created a CVC and Magic E deck that I can go ahead and use like any other deck. Unlike the preloaded decks, I can go ahead and edit my custom deck to control which graphemes are included. So I can go ahead and add new graphemes that my students have learned or remove ones that we haven't yet gone over. I'm going to go ahead and delete this deck so you can see what it looks like to switch out your custom deck. Now I have the ability to create another custom deck, and I'll just go ahead and create a copy of Combined Blends, and you'll see that now that is the custom deck on my account. Lastly, I'll show you what a Blend Pro account looks like. With Blend Pro, you unlock unlimited custom decks on your account. So you can see I have quite a few here, and you can even drag and drop them to sort them in whatever order you choose. And of course, you have the ability to create a new custom deck or copy from any of the decks in your library. We do have a separate video tutorial on creating and editing decks, so make sure to check that out. And last but not least, with Blend Pro, you get access to our playlists feature. This is a really powerful tool for planning your blending drills ahead of time. A playlist is basically a pre-built word chain that you can use in your drills on a simplified interface. All you have to do is click through your drill and you can focus on ensuring that your students are decoding the words properly. If you want to learn more about playlists, make sure to check out our tutorial on our YouTube channel. That will be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please let us know in the comments what other Blend tutorials you'd like to see, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!